Hi friends, Manoj Kodari here, certified research analyst and a share market investor since 2005. दोस्तों, जब भी हम शेयर मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात करते हैं, सबसे पहले अपने को क्या सुनने में आता है? रिस्क। तो दोस्तों, रिस्क कहाँ नहीं है? बिजनेस हो, जॉब हो, रिस्क तो है। मान लो अगर मैं किसी के बारे में अच्छा और बुरा दोनों बोलता हूँ, तो आपको सबसे पहले बुरा सुनने में आएगा और याद रहेगा। In the same way, we hear about people who have lost money, but there are many who have earned and are known for successful stock market investors like Dolly Khanna, Vijay Kedia, Nimesh Shah, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Ramesh Damani, Radhakrishna Damani, and the list goes on. They earned money as they followed a disciplined approach. You all know who is India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani. His wealth is at $90 billion, that is 6,70,000 crore. You mean he's having assets in the form of land and building, car, jewelry, fixed deposits, etc.? No. He's having his company shares in addition to his fixed assets. He has invested in his company. That's his wealth creator. Just like that, we can invest in many companies like Adani Group, Tata Group, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, and many more to create wealth. We have a good habit of savings, but we invest major part of our savings in fixed return options like fixed deposits, NSE, PPF, etc. for a return of 5 to 7%. That is, we get a return of 5,000 rupees if we invest 1 lakh rupees. Whereas if we invest in shares, we can maximize our returns. Let us see the returns of few companies from the year 2010 to 2020. Bajaj Finance has given a return of 36,257% in 10 years. TCS has given a return of 1,419%. Reliance Industries 640% return in 10 years. HDFC Bank 590% returns. L&T 285% returns in 10 years. Axis Bank 203%. Nifty 163%. So there is no limit for maximum return in this market. You have many investment opportunities in financial markets: equity cash, equity derivatives, futures and options, commodity, agri and non-agri, currency derivatives, bonds, interest rate derivatives. I will cover all these investment opportunities and their risk parameters in my upcoming videos. Friends, you can start investment with even ₹1,000 with SIP. SIP is a disciplined approach, just like your recurring deposit. Suppose if you invest ₹1,000 per month for a duration of 15 years at a return of 16% per annum, you can create a wealth of up to 7 lakhs. If you invest ₹2,000 per month for a duration of 15 years at an expected return of 16%, you can create a wealth of up to 15 lakhs. In the same way, 10,000 per month if you invest in SIP systematically for 20 years at an expected return of 16%, you can create a wealth of up to 1.73 crores. So friends, share market investment should be part of your life. It can be your second source of income and it will be your wealth creator. Thank you for watching this video. My next video will cover reasons for rise or fall in share market.